Good day everybody, today we're making a lime moonshine. So originally this was one of my father's best recipes where you need to just make a little to get huge improvements. In the beginnings when he was just starting and learning about moonshining, he was looking for the easy recipe, how to cover bad smell of the moonshine and maybe not really good taste. So he come up to add a piece of limes in a boiler during a third distillation, and he realized that it was huge improvement and you get a really good taste and you like a little bit covering this not a really good result. And today I'm going to be doing this recipe and show you that everything is very easy. So today we have about 3 liters of moonshine, which is 90% ABV, and it's kind of good one, a little bit neutral, and you don't have any taste and flavor, but adding a lime we will get that beverage and that alcohol that I used to drink like about 10 years ago actually. Yeah, pretty long time ago. I used to repeat this recipe in my life like twice or 3 times, and I really love the result, and that's why I would like to have some more. So this alcohol we will add to our boiler and mix it with the water and get about 40% ABV. So for the distillation I have my very small distiller. This is one of the most popular units for beginners in Russia. This is like stillman variant. We have 2 videos about this distiller. Very easy to use. You can get like 90% alcohol during the second distillation and with speed about a liter. So small little thing with a distillation column over here. We have a flux condenser, the small one, and the final product condenser. So cooling management very well balanced. You don't need to regulate this a lot, and that's why it sells really good. And on the other hand, we have like my small little 10-liter boiler, like a baby one, but a little bit custom. So we here have a ball valve, which is not really needed, but for using the extractor sock slit, it's very needed. Anyway, let's install our distiller, add our alcohol, cut our limes, and start distilling. So we're adding water, as I said, to have about 40% ABV. And right now we just need to cut our limes. So we're doing third distillation. Our product is already double distilled and we need just to flavor it. So why do we choose lime, not orange or lemons? With lime you won't get a lot of boiling taste and flavor. There's gonna be just a little, and you probably won't really have a bad feeling about it. But on the other hand, we have a huge taste, which is not really sour, which is not really like acidly or something, and it's very smooth. And even if it's gonna be like 42-45 ABV, you can have a shot and be fine with that. So let's cut limes. So our limes in the boiler. Yep, let's install our lid with the distiller. I have to admit that you don't have to worry about the limes in the boiler. You won't get them burned to the bottom of your boiler, because when the heat is going to be rising, they will transfer a lot in the inside of your boiler. So that's why we didn't screw the limes, pieces of limes, and they have some liquid inside of them. So by heating, they will travel a lot in the boiler, and you won't get them burned to the bottom. Yep. I'm gonna be using my induction cooker. It's more than enough. Yep. Let's install it. And right now we just need to connect our water hoses. So inlet for the water and an upper side is outlet for the water. And we don't use deflagrator, so we just leave these hoses, leave these tubes. And let me just twist it. It's gonna be just a little more comfortable to manage the hoses. So we just turn on the power, attach hose for collection. Yeah, and as you see, I already have a jar for collecting the alcohol. Yeah, and right now we just wait. Oh, actually I forgot to turn the water. Yep. So over here we're already collecting the product, and you can feel the flavor and taste just right in the beginning. There's a lot of it, and it's very good, very tasty. So as you can see, I decreased the power down to 1500 watts because we have a lot of alcohol in the boiler, so it's very high proof, and the condenser of this distiller is not really big, so just a little small one. So, should you make cuts, or should you just end the distillation when it's going to happen? I would personally recommend ending and making cuts like after 19 degrees in the boiler, when you have not a really huge amount of alcohol, because right now we having a good flavor, nice taste. Yeah, but after the 90 degrees, everything can be changed. So I would personally recommend you changing the jar when it's going to be at like that temperature. But right now we have a lot of alcohol. It's only like 80 degrees in the boiler. That's why the collection speed is like very, very fast. And I probably should add a little bit of water. Yep. Anyway, let's continue. So we ended distillation process and we collected 2 liters and 600 milliliters, almost 600 actually, of really good and tasty with a good flavor alcohol. So right now I just want to dilute it with the water and then bottle it. And then we have almost 2 liters of moonshine after the temperature about 90 degrees. I changed the jar when it was like 88 degrees Celsius. It's only my personal preferences. Over here we have like boiling taste a little bit and boiling flavor, and more like a sour even in the flavor. So that's why I will like just keep it, maybe use it in a different way, or just double distill it again when I just need to make some neutral spirits. But over here, really nice taste. It's fresh, it's tasty, it's smooth, and the final product, final beverage is gonna be absolutely outstanding. So let's bottle it. So today we've made 5 liters of lime moonshine. I will set it for like 2 weeks, maybe month, and the taste is gonna be very smooth and very tasty. But I can say right now that is like very interesting, as always. Very easy, as you can see. You don't have to have a gin basket to make this beverage. If you have a gin basket, it's gonna be even easier for you, because you probably won't collect this amount of alcohol during actually reflux distillation. You will not collect this boiling flavor if you have a removable bunker with the spices, with the limes. So in case if you're collecting boiling alcohol, you just stop the reflux, or you stop the heating, change the bunker with the limes or other spices, for example, and you proceed collecting. So very easy and very fine to go. But if you don't have a gin basket, just a distiller, Potstill, no matter, very easy, as you can see. And maybe I just open a boiler in 20 minutes and show you that it's nothing damaged and not any of limes are burned to the bottom. Thank you for watching this video episode. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe on our YouTube channel. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section. We'd be glad to answer. Thank you for watching. Happy distilling!